Okay folks, so we got radio number 2 for the weekend. Never got this one till late today, but we're going to have a little peek at it. We're going to find out what it's doing or what it's not doing. This one is the Galaxy DX979. She's an upper and lower sideband plus AM. CB radio, I guess, or 10 meter radio, whatever. Apparently, I was told the radio don't turn on anymore, or something like that. So I got the power hooked up. So now we're going to turn it around here and see what happens. So she powers up, but right off the bat, we have no sound whatsoever. Doesn't matter what way Squelch is up or down, doesn't matter, I still get no sound. CB, upper lower sideband. Dimmer works. I got the power turned all the way counterclockwise. Let's see what happens here. Try transmitting. So nothing there. But we do have RF power. Yeah, 4 watts, swing 8 or 9. That's not bad. So the radio is definitely transmitting. But that needle doesn't seem to be doing very much. Alright, let's take her apart here and see what we can see inside. Okay, so there's a few issues right off the bat here. The speaker is literally holding on by a strand. Literally. So yeah, someone's been at the speaker. And by the meter here, the meter looks like we've got a little wire disconnected here, and another one ready to fall off. And we have this here also unplugged. Well, nice. Okay, so I fixed up the speaker leads. Resoldered on the S meter leads. As far as I can tell, these leads are actually broken clear of the board, because they were supposed to be soldered down there by the looks of it. But yeah, so this thing's supposed to have a backlight. But the radio does not turn on. She did turn on. No, she's not. So, like the owner said, it didn't turn on. But as you've seen, it did turn on. So now it's not turning on. So we've got some kind of a issue going on in this radio of some sort. A loose connection or a bad part or something. Might be a bad switch. Looks like we're going to have our next project. That's for sure. Anyways, this is just a little checkup on this radio just to see what the issues might have been or is. So I guess the next video, instead of This video is going to be a little series on this here radio. Figure out why this radio does not want to power up. Very temperamental. Probably a bad wire. I cut the tie wraps here just to see. There might have been a loose connection or something. Could be a bad capacitor. Could be any number of things. Let's take off the other side of the case and see what we see on the solder side before we call it quits on this video for tonight. So I took a look at this side of the board, and three-legged transistors over here, and I noticed that the center pin had basically like solder missing there. So I resoldered that one, and it looked like the solder on the left hand side pin wasn't that great either, so I resoldered 3 of the pins on this here transistor, and I powered the radio up, and now it appears to be working again. Doesn't appear to be any sound out of it. So we're getting there. So somebody's definitely been into this radio, doing God knows what. So looks like the first thing I'm going to have to do is some resoldering. Well, some of this board. Because I don't know what people touched, not touched, or whatever. Interesting. So I got the meter resoldered here. The meter still doesn't seem to be doing anything. Still quite dead. Oh, there you go. The meter is sticking. The meter's working, it's just sticking. Alright. It still doesn't explain why she has no sound. I guess we'll get to that. But anyway, we got this far with it anyhow. Well, I guess we'll see you in the next video, part 2 of the Galaxy DX979. All the best, folks. 7-3.